Hi guys, welcome to Twitter's funny channel. In our last class, we saw how to display the records into our data grid view. In this tutorial, I am going to teach updation part. Okay, before going to teach update part on data grid view, let me go back to our category view part. Okay, here in updation, I am going to fix the small fixes. Okay, what is the fixes? Shall we see? Okay, so double click on the update button. This is the update method. You just go through that update method here. This is the update method we wrote here. Here, first step, you go here. This is the cat id variable. This cat id variable we call into our input box. Okay, this variable we equal into our input box, and this variable we passing to our this variable we passing to our SQL query part. Here, when you creating the variable of input box and equal into input box, you have to do the task here. Here, dim cat id as integer. Okay, instead of integer, when you equal into the input box, here you have to data type you have to change as object. Okay, instead of integer, you have to change as objects. Okay, when you equal into input box. Okay, so then let's go to our update method. Here, what I'm going to do is here. First, this is this variable I pick from here. This variable I am getting here. Here I am going to check whatever type in the input box, it's passing to the variable cat id. Here I am going to check the condition. Sorry, this is not this one. Here, this one. Okay, this one will be updation. Here I am going to check the condition. Whatever write on the input box, it's passing to the variable cat id. Okay, here validation will be must. Here, if cat id, this cat id equal blank, if you leave it as a blank of this input box, this end if we have to cut and paste into the below of this end if. Okay, here then if it is blank, you have to write the message as message box blank not be allowed. This is the message you have to pass. Okay, if the input box you leave it as a blank. Okay, otherwise you have to check another validation also. Else if is numeric, you have to call this variable after that second validation also, cat id equal into false. Another validation here, numbers only allowed. This means when the person who typed the category ID on the input box, that person might be type text. Text means some text characters. Here the message will be display numbers only allowed. Okay, the numbers only we can type on this input box. Okay, the text values we can't type, so that we have to throw error. Okay, if all the above all the validation should correct, we have to do the rest of this part, SQL part. Check the SQL part. Okay, this is the important validation part. We have to write on the category ID. Okay, category. Before going to the updation part, we have to do these things as well. Okay, Okay, let me check it whether it's working success or not. Okay, let's Kumar 1 2 3, click on the category here, this one update, click update here. If you click cancel here, blank not be allowed. If you again going to OK, blank not be allowed, it's you're getting the message like this. Here if you type some characters like this, here numbers only allowed. Okay, now if you type the correct one, click OK, here it successfully go to the your edit form, and we will able to edit the records this time. Okay, so that I have put the validation part. Okay, let me go back to our coding part. Here these are the relevant validation part you have to apply, okay, within the function. Okay, the same validation I am copying here, this one, and I have to place into my deletion as well, category deletion as well. So we have to under the below the category ID, this function works delete part. The same thing, we get the ID, we input the ID on the input box, and we have to delete the records. So here also we have to check the same thing. So here at the end, here we start the if. So if you start the if, you must close the if using end if. Okay, you start here, you must close at the end, put as end if. That is the needful task you have to do. Okay, now here I haven't tried this edit part, also try within the try block. We have to put the try and catch block here. Now we just cut this one, this function, and paste into my try block. Okay, this is my update part. I just create the try block and place into my code. Okay, this will be the professional way. Okay, the deletion part I wrote, this one edit part I forgot to write the try block. Okay, you must put it within the try block and write it. Okay, here you have to pass in the error message. If there is something gone error, you just pass here. Okay, ex dot message. I explained this stuff in previous tutorial. Ex means this one. What kind of error it's passing as a message. That's how catch block works. What is the error you getting from the try block, it passing to the catch block memory. Here you passing as a message. Okay, same thing here also you have to write message box ex dot message. Alright, okay, now let's check whether it's working or not. Click. Let's go here. First we add the some records here. Mobile. Refresh. Record added successfully mobile. Now let's go and update the record. So sorry, we already saw the updation part, the deletion. If you leave it as a blank not be allowed. After that, if you type some text, numbers only allowed, you get another error. After that, you have to write the number and click OK. Record deleted successfully. If you refresh here, no records. Okay, the simple stuff I show you. In my next tutorial, I am going to teach how to work with the deletion part and updation part and deletion part in my brand table. Okay guys, okay guys, thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me.